now. Walking northwest. Going to look for a quick engage here, guys, before they get over the bridge. In 3, shallow. In 2, and 1. Shallow surface. Get this. Get the guys inside of us. Kill the guys inside of us. Don't let them out. Kill them. Kill the guys inside in the southeast side. Kill them. Okay. Tanks start. Okay, yeah. Tanks start walking over one by one. And get ready to pod if we have to. Tanks start walking over. Tanks are walking over one by one. I need to see you start walking in, fellas. One by one, nice and slow. Careful, defenses up front. Walk in now. Fully walk in now. Tanks, you're inside, and we're fucking running them down. All the way northeast. We're looking east off the bridge. In 3, and 2, and 1. Yo, hit this. East off the bridge. Hit this. Wipe this, and keep walking northwest. Walk northwest now. Run these fucking dogs down. Keep walking northwest, boys. Keep walking northwest.
Don't loot, guys. Don't loot. Come on.
Careful, Sushi.
Yo, careful. Defense from the front line. You keep walking northwest. Yo, after this GA, you're heading on top of the GA. Okay, yo, look northwest. Okay, in 3, and 2, and 1. Yo, northwest, boys. Keep walking them. Keep walking these dogs, boys. Keep walking. Don't let them get into the castle. Kill the guys on the east side. East, guys. East on the wall. These guys have to die. East on the wall. Continue killing the guys in the east and come southwest now. Come southwest. You finish those guys and come southwest. They're heading. Defense up front. That's what I'm talking about, man. You're not killing what I'm telling you to, and then you're overextending. Okay, we're gonna start walking the gate now. Okay, nice. We actually get these guards down quickly. Whilst we're doing these guards, I guarantee they try and engage on us, guys, so we need to be ready for that, okay? Just take it nice and slow. Alright, okay, still heading the guards. Defensives in the west, defensive west. Don't want to lose anyone. We're going to be looking on the gate here, okay? In 3, and 2, and 1. You just try and hit the gate. Just blow up the gate. Just blow up what's in the gate. Nothing to really hit. Come back southeast. We got 1, it's good. That's good. Come all the way back southeast again. We're just going to play it nice and patient, guys. Nice and patient, okay? Just come back southeast, guys. I want my battle mounts. I want you guys to reset. I want my battle mounts to be in full health, guys. I want you to be in full health, and we're going to look for a full push really soon, okay? It was nice and slow, nice and patient. Again, Ellie, battle mount. Just patience, guys. Just patience, nice and patient. Did I get a ballista in the end or no? Probably not, right? They're looking for a hodge here, guys. Be careful. Yo, everything on this guy. 3, 2, 1, yo, northwest. Full engage on this one guy. Beautiful. Come back southeast. Don't get countered on. Defenses up front. Nice, beautiful. Nice GA. Come back southeast and stabilize. Yep, that's one of the... Yo, defenses up front, boys. Okay, yo, start walking in. Then we're going to be clapping on the choke in 3, and 2, and 1. On the choke. Hit the choke. Hit the choke and come back southeast. Come back southeast. Defensives on the choke. Defense on the choke. Yeah, defense on the choke. Come all the way back southeast for now. We're not full pushing just yet.
They engage.
Hitting the gate.
Okay, yo. Start coming forward. Okay, we're pushing through now. Walk through now. We're looking northeast, guys. In 5 seconds, okay? Just keep walking through. Planes on the choke. We're looking northeast in 3, and 2, and 1. On the wall. Northeast on the wall. Head on the wall. Hit everything northeast. Beautiful. Supports go up northeast. Some supports and some healers go east. They're going to be looking for an engage really soon, guys. Be ready with defensives. Some of you guys in the southwest, some of you guys up on the east side, okay? They're going to be looking really soon. Need defenses up here really soon, okay? Just be careful. Just stabilize in this northeast side, guys. Stabilize. Okay, start heading the gate, tanks. If you have defensives, you're heading the gate. They're going to be looking for an engage very fucking soon here, alright? So again, just Q and W the guys up there in that northeast wall, guys. Just be very patient. We're absolutely fine here. Yep. Some tanks just hold that bump. Okay, yo, defenses up front. Oh man. Okay, I think we wasted our clerics. Yo, they're gonna hit again. Be very careful here. Karandash is looking to hit. Just come away from the gate for now. Just defenses up front. Beautiful. Alright, let's get this gate done. Get the gate. Start walking in west, guys. CC them west in 3, and 2, and 1. You catch them west here. Catch them west. Keep heading west. Yo, we're headbutting, guys. Pop demons if you have them. And we're gonna continue heading. Keep heading. Q's and W's, keep heading. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, tanks start working the gate. I need some healers on the southeast side, healing over the wall. Beautiful, there's 2 guys down there already. Very careful, boys. I lost some guys there, that's fine, that's fine. Just keep heading the gate, keep heading the gate. You're ready to support each other. Keep heading the gate if you can, boys. Keep heading the gate. If you're low, walk back east and get top. If you're low, you walk back east, you get top. Any tanks start stepping in. DPS start coming forward. This gate's going down really soon. We're going to look to slingshot immediately. Yo, DPS start stepping up. We're going to hit the front line as soon as this gate's dead. Yo, hit this fucking gate. Hit the gate. We're going to slingshot in 3 and 2 and 1. Yo, all the way west, all the way west, all the way west, all the way west, on the choke, all the way west, on the choke, all the way west. You hit this, you hit this, you hit this, you hit this. Start walking through. Walk into the Lord room, you walk northeast. Walk northeast, demons and keep walking northeast. Demons and walk northeast, demons and walk northeast, and northwest. Northeast, northwest, walk into them, 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 boys. Walk into them, don't be fucking scared. You walk in, you take space, and you're brawling. You're brawling, you're spreading out, and you're brawling, okay? I need you in the northeast, I need you in the fucking west, I need you all over the fucking place. Yo, they're clicking out northeast, yo. Follow through, follow through, follow through. You click northeast, click northeast, click northeast. And he DPS into 3 and 2 and 1. DPS hit on suicide now. Wipe them here, boys. Wipe them!
Beautiful.
Nice, boys! There we fucking go. Catch these fucking dogs. Catch these dogs. Talk shit.